We're gonna get the masuk angin after that.
I will get masuk angin and I will get kerokan after that.
Dragon massage.
So
what they trying to sell you, honey? Yo, what's up?
So now we are in Kuta Beach actually. So because we see on Instagram how it is now in Kuta Beach, and then we decided to go to Kuta Beach.
Yeah, it's bitter and windy today and cloudy, I have to say.
Yeah.
I think it's a little bit something here, by the way. We already talked about this rubbish today. There was so many people earlier this day. They cleaned this. However, in ocean it's unfortunately full of little
Rubbish.
bit of plastic. Yeah, what I can say. You see, here is the signs of the truck or something like a machinery who was cleaning this morning, but yeah,
when the truck's already clean, and then you know the plastic rubbish from the ocean just keep coming and coming.
never ending.
Never-ending problems.
Yeah, never-ending problem, and that's inside the ocean. It's actually not only is Bali the problem, but
All over the island.
all over I think all over the Indian Ocean.
Yeah, it's just like this.
And these nice people behind us, they are feeding dogs.
Yeah,
So very nice of them. Very nice of them. Heading to Kuta Square and passing the Kuta Art Market. As you can see, actually, business is as usual. I mean, as usual, but open, but not many customers, right, honey?
Yeah, some shops are open actually, and some still closed.
Yeah.
So this is how it is in the Kuta Art Market. Alright, so now we are in the intersection. Actually, over there is the Kuta Art Market, and then on the right side, I look like I'm a tour guide. Alright, so over there on the right side is Jalan Kartika Plaza, and then on the left side here is the Kuta Square. Over there is the Matahari in Kuta Square. It is not temporarily closed but permanently closed.
Also, as you can see, so many buildings like this one is for sale or for rent. So many businesses here just unfortunately gone. And this one, yes, honey?
Yeah.
It's quite many businesses gone, unfortunately. Okay, I think we're gonna move into the discovery area, eh?
Yeah.
But before we're gonna go, we wanna buy some sandal in this shop. It's called Flipper. Let's see how is it inside.
Look at my sandal, broken. It's broken. So I decided to buy a new one because they have a promotion just like now. Got discount 25%. From 70k it becomes 50k. I love it.
This is not paid endorsement anyway, we're just showing us in normal life. Alright, I feel already so hot, it's time for ice cream. Yes, honey, you gonna buy me ice cream?
So we are in the McDonald's in the Kuta Square and buy ice cream in McDonald's.
Alright, ice cream arrived. Cheers! So we arrived at the Discovery Kartika Plaza Mall.
Yeah. So actually Discovery Kartika Plaza Mall is the second biggest mall after Beach Walk. Unfortunately, we see that this is not as busy as Beach Walk. So yeah, let's see how it is inside. So right behind me over there, that's the Water Bomb Bali. If you have ever been to Water Bomb Bali, that's it. It's open, but I can see from here it's not as busy as normally holiday season. So this is how it is.
So we're walking inside the mall and it's like a very nice gallery, very nice graffiti on the wall, and here is the paintings.
Yeah, so inside the mall nowadays
nice.
They make it very Instagrammable to attract people to come. Even in this way they make a galleries.
Yeah.
So nice.
And that's how it look actually around mall. So we just exit the mall to the other side of the beach side, and like usual is street food stalls around. Pikachu again. Yeah, Pikachu again. I don't know why, but wherever we go always is Pikachu somewhere next to me. Winnie got some promo. Winnie loves promo.
Yes, I really love promo. This one I told you which one.
It's actually nice.
I'll show you. 65k include the appetizer, main course, and dessert and drink.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what we're gonna get inside. So we get inside. It's actually a very nice place, but it's very windy here.
It's very windy actually.
And we're gonna get the masuk angin after that.
I will get masuk angin and I will get kerokan after that.
Dragon massage.
So we decided to sit little bit inside. Well, you know, at the beginning I saw from outside of the restaurant look luxurious, expensive. But when I look at the promo, oh, they have a 65 promo and 50k promo.
Yeah, 50. I choose something for 50 Winnie for 65k, which is very cheap on this place like this. We'll see how's the food. Anyway, very nice place, and they have even swimming pool over here for
this
the.
is not paid endorsement.
Not paid, like
we just come here and see the promo, and we just come.
Okay, let's go deep inside because I don't wanna make you dragon massage tonight. Oh, you see? Already. Let's go.
Right, so this is my food. As you know that I got full board for 65k, include tom yum as the appetizer, and this is the main course, tuna sambal mata.
And iced tea. Sweet sour fish, rice, egg, sprinkler,
Oh la la!
siomai, I think, I don't know.
Yeah.
Nice. I will try. Hot, nice, but nice.
Very nice. Good. With the fish. Right, so this is the dessert, black rice pudding. And you have ice cream goreng, fried ice cream.
Fried ice cream.
Smash nego. Selamat makan.
So good.
Enak?
We after dinner, actually very nice place.
Oh my god, I've got full board, like from appetizer, main course, dessert. Both of
Yeah.
us just paid around 100
69 exactly.
because Damian took another drinks actually.
You know, no soda for me is quite difficult, you know.
Alright, just for your information, this mall actually open in the morning, 9 or 10 in the morning, and close at 9 p.m. during these holidays. But back after 4 January, it will be closed at 8 p.m.
Yeah. So that's how it looks over here. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Like always, something new tomorrow.
And we would like to say thank you guys. Oh my god, look at this Pikachu. This is Damian's doll. We would like to say thank you for watching our vlog and
See you tomorrow. See ya, take
Bye.
care.
Yeah, honey. So Damian preparing himself and make sure that, you know, his helmet is really well locked.
So many helmets lost in this year.
Yeah.
In this year, just 3 days already.